You're watching CBS News Detroit.
Welcome back. In light of Oscar-winning star Diane Keaton's passing this month, we have Danielle Mayores here with us to look at the estate planning and break that down for us. Thank you so much for being here with us, Danielle.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so what is the first thing people should be thinking when it comes to the passing of a loved one in their estate?
Well, there's a few things Diane Keaton did, which I think are great lessons for all of us.
Okay.
The first is that you can provide for your pets. It's been reported that she left $5 million to her beloved dog, Reggie.
Wow.
Now, there's no will that's been filed, so we can't confirm this, but that's what's been reported in the news. And this isn't unusual because we've seen this with other celebrities too. Karl Lagerfeld left money to his cat. Oprah Winfrey has said she's going to provide for her animals, and Diane Keaton did as well.
So when you leave that much money, especially to a pet, what does that look like in practice? Does that just go towards their overall care until the end of their life? What does all that money go toward?
Great question. So this is legal in Michigan. It's called a pet trust, believe it or not.
Okay.
And I do this with clients all the time. So under the law, you can set up a caretaker and designate someone to actually care for your pet. And then you can also set aside money. And the money's held in trust for the pet's lifetime for their benefit. Now, reportedly, Diane Keaton said once Reggie passed away, any balance of the money was going to go on to animal shelters to help rescue animals.
Beautiful. Is there anything else that she did that you thought was noteworthy and an example of what you should do?
Absolutely. Do a trust.
Okay.
So I'm assuming she did one or more trusts because nothing has been publicly filed. And we know Diane Keaton was a very private person. She wanted to stay out of the public eye in large part. So it wouldn't be a surprise if she used one or more trusts to avoid the public process of probate court. That would keep all of her affairs private. Supposedly it's a $100 million estate.
Wow.
And that's something that all of us can do as well. Even if we don't have $100 million, if we don't want someone looking up what we have and who we're leaving our money to, that's a great way to do it.
And that also makes it a little easier on the family too, right?
It absolutely does. It's because you're not going through the probate court system, which is time-consuming, expensive, prone to family fighting. It makes it so much easier on your loved ones. And I always say when you use a trust, it's really an act of love for your loved ones. And she left behind 2 children.
So now that is taken care of.
Yes.
Is there anything else that you think is you would advise your clients to do?
I think there's some other benefits to a trust, just besides avoiding probate court and that family fighting. Some other things is if you're providing for minor children or grandchildren and you don't want them to have to go through the court system and wait to get all their money at the age of 18, a trust is a great way to do that. We know Keaton had adult children, so maybe not so much, but maybe she wanted to set aside money for down the road for other matters. So that's something else to think about as well.
All right, Danielle, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Lauren. Appreciate that.